In this video, we're going to be covering the costs in economics, more specifically covering total cost, marginal cost, variable costs, and fixed cost. Alright, for this first graph, we're going to be talking about fixed cost, variable cost, and total cost. Your fixed cost is going to look like a straight line at a certain point, because fixed costs are always going to be at the set price. And your variable cost is going to start here down in the bottom at 0, 0. And that's because you're always going to have variable costs even with a quantity of 0 and a cost of 0. So it starts at 0, 0. And then your total cost is going to be right here because your total cost is going to be the addition of both variable costs and fixed costs. So it's going to start right here at this point. And your total cost is this distance from the fixed cost. It is equidistant from the variable cost because it's the addition of these two. In this graph, we're going to be talking about average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost. Your average fixed cost is going to look like a slowly downward sloping curve. Your marginal cost looks like a Nike check. Your average variable cost looks sort of like this. And your average total cost makes a slight U shape and comes close to the average variable cost. The reason these lines are shaped this way are because the average fixed cost is a downward sloping slope because it is the fixed cost over quantity. And so it is going to slowly go down as quantity increases. And then your average variable cost is going to go up once it hits the marginal cost because it's going to cost more to have more workers, and there's going to be more variables because of that. Your total cost is going to get close to the average variable cost, or they're going to be close together, but they're never going to touch because it's the addition of average total cost and average fixed cost. So average total cost is going to keep going up once it hits the marginal cost. And lastly, the marginal cost curve is going to look this shape because of positive marginal revenue, diminishing marginal revenue, and negative marginal revenue up here.